Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from your Ledger Nano X to Kucoin in 2025. This process is super simple, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so double check everything to stay safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Plug it into your computer or connect it via Bluetooth, and open the Ledger Live app. If you haven't already, install the Bitcoin app on your device by going to the app catalog in Ledger Live and selecting Bitcoin. This ensures you're ready to manage your BTC securely. Next, on your Ledger device, navigate to the Bitcoin app and confirm it's displaying your wallet address. Now, head over to Kucoin's website or app and log in to your account. Go to the deposit section for Bitcoin. You'll need to copy the deposit address provided by Kucoin. Don't forget, always verify this address to avoid any scams. Back on Ledger Live, select your Bitcoin wallet and choose the Send option. Paste the Kucoin deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and double-check the fees. Once everything looks good, hit Continue, and confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by physically pressing the buttons on the device. This adds an extra layer of security. After confirmation, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. It might take a few minutes to an hour to show up on Kucoin, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Kucoin account and the blockchain explorer like blockchain.com to track its status. A quick tip. In 2025, with potential new regulations, always enable two-factor authentication on both your Ledger and Kucoin accounts. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.